Welcome to the Angular course. In this chapter, we'll cover the first topic, setting up the development environment. Let's get started. Before we begin building Angular applications, we need to set up our development environment. This involves installing Node.js and the Angular CLI. Let's start by installing Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allows us to run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. It's an essential part of the Angular development ecosystem. Visit the official Node.js website. After installation, verify the installation by opening a command prompt or terminal and running the node dzs and down pmdm. You should see the installed versions of Node.js and npm displayed. Now that we have Node.js installed, let's proceed to install the Angular. The Angular CLI is a command line interface tool that helps us scaffold, build, and maintain Angular applications efficiently. Open a command prompt or terminal. Run the command npm install gs Angular CLI to install the Angular CLI globally on your system. After installation, verify the installation by running the un version command. You should see the installed version of the Angular CLI displayed. Remember, it's important to keep your Angular CLI up to date. To update the Angular CLI, use the command npm update gceu Angular CLI. Now that we have Node.js and Angular CLI installed, our development environment is ready for Angular application development. We're all set.